What the fuck happens? Get very close. Mihlane, how dare you, bitch?
Bata shamatama naman. Amatama naman. Batit. Shamatama naman. Yawen. Amatama naman. Batit. Bata shamatama naman. Hus. Amatama naman. Batit. Shamatama naman. Boo. Amatama naman. Yawen. Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. We all know the story. I'm sure most of us have came across the story, which was revealed by the goat, Musakaula. Yes, Tommy. Excuse me, guys. Just woke up. Sorry. Yeah, I saw the stories of episode, but then I was like, you know what? I'll go through this kusasa kahle ekuseni and then just find out good. Hantle go diragalang mona. Wa tlhaloganya. So, if you do not know, Shuti, this guy Leroy was married to, I don't know if they're still married though, to Mary Jane Munyusisi, who's also beautiful. Then Mihlale came into the picture. When she came into the picture, they started dating with this guy on and off, and all of that, Dubai and all those things, Malis, this one is broke, no, that one is broke, and all of that, give me back my money, and all of that, drama, but everything was just on social media. So a lot of people value, like, I've never came across anyone who was like, I'm for this relationship, I'm supporting this relationship, yay. Instead, I also feel like all of this was a bad look for especially Umihlane, because we did not know Uliroy. We did not know Uliroy, but Umihlane was the famous one, and she's the one, Isimazi, or that we knew. Of which the first time I saw Umihlane, she was sitting a Pulini, with a nice body and with the short hair, okay, blonde. That was the first time I saw her. However, next thing I'm hearing all these stories of her. With did you hear? With Leroy, did you hear? And yeah, she's dating a married man, and then she was flexing and mocking Mary Jane. There was a video twice I shoot salon, or the video that she posted on YouTube. I've never seen that video and stuff like that. They said she did that. This is all alleged, by the way. But however, she was on flake, and yeah, she was happy to no much and stuff like that, and also rubbing it and I think, if I'm not even mistaken, there was even a time where they were wearing this similar outfits, and apparently Ngatu Umihlale who was copying Mary Jane. So yeah, man, even Musakaula was just like, no, you know, Velu Musakaula was always against this relationship and always had something to say about the two, to a point where allegedly Uliroy even offered Umusakaula imali to shut up and stop mentioning them, or Umihlale, and yes, also this, I feel like this Mihlale thing is also giving Minnie Dlamini vibes, in a sense of which after Minnie Dlamini's divorce, wow, Minnie was, yes, she can still be popping, but aksafana sekuqaleni, because even with her getting divorced, allegedly it was said ukuthi ngathi washa step to the left, step to the right, like out of the marriage, allegedly. Yeah, no munye ubaba wase-DStv or ubhuti wase-DStv or something, that's what was said. Yeah, even with Mihlale, I think even this thing is definitely damaging her her career, I think, if I should call it that, or her image, yeah, there are these relationships, guys, that yes, we can say abantu besilisa, they do lie, but even women, they do also lie. We've seen that on DMTV where I'll go there, I'll be sitting with the Letlhogololo, and then Letlhogololo will be like, okay, we're calling sifonela couple la umuntu wakho masifonela umuntu wakho siyambuza ukuthi ujona ba if the person says or describes you, and then whoever, if I'm not mistaken, you get 1,000 rand. I can't remember, but yeah, lab. So yeah, it's like that. And then you find out that the woman will mention some other guy. The first thing jaba vele belahle ngayo bayilahla ngokuthi no, my person is dark skinned lapho mina ngiyellow, no, my person is light skinned lapho mina ngidark, you know. Yeah, so everyone lies. I'm not going to just say it's men, also women lie, we all lie. Yeah, so with this Mhlale and Leroy thing, you'd find out maybe mhlambe she might have not known, or she might have known ukuthi this man was married, and abanye they've once even spoken Beno Miss XO with something that had to do with imshado. I remember with the video Miss XO where Miss XO was saying ukuthi she the person that she's with is married. Check out this video.
When I'm in a relationship, I'm in a relationship. I won't even fuck around. Yeah. I'm committed. But then I go back to be like, hey, what's good? And they also realize and understand, okay, she's in a relationship.
And there's always people that you know, like you guys just have.
Dude, I've been having one person for the past 3 years. We good like that.
Get married.
No, he's married. No.
So, yeah. And they're all laughing and kicking, as you saw. Begumnandi nje, it was some LOL. Yeah. So there is a possibility which no longer knew as they were dating, you know, Leroy or Bejonjan and stuff like that. She knew Guti he's married. And another thing, people normally say Guti umnandi umuntu. You know. But now in King, where the problem starts, even with me, I think the problem starts magube usuwa disrespectful, usufuna ukuyekuba umakhwapheni, usufuna uba spray, you know, they normally say that and stuff like that. So yeah, Goguye, you will see a beautiful couple born with you. Yes, these two are so in love and stuff like that. And this is, I even said this on my other video where I did Ngomix SO, where she was crying, she was bawling.
I hear it coming and go, and I hear little kids making noise. You know, my husband's asking me, are you okay? How was your day? Stuff like that. But you don't have that. The solution is rocking me. Like I'm praying for something constantly, and it's not coming to pass. And the one thing that you pray for, you see somebody else get it, and then you're just like, man, I'm praying for the same thing. I've been praying for the same thing for the past 5 years.
You saw, she was crying. Deep down, yes, we bad, yes, funimali, yes, funa this, funa that. But at the end of the day, they all want umuntu ekuzoba owabo. You know? They all want umuntu zoba owabo. And most of the time you find out when they get someone, umuntu suke nomuntu wakhe omdala. It's just that umuntu suke efuna ukuthi kancane. And there are people who have a lot of money. I've seen this somewhere, I've read this somewhere. But there are people who have a lot of money, men who have a lot of money, but the only thing that they lack is just fame. You know? And they do want to be famous too. So they will try by all means to get that whoever person who's famous and be out there. Then they have money, power, and fame. Do I feel like Leroy is famous now? In a way, even though it's le fame yakhe, it's you know, off. But yeah, it's almost like having imali and dirty money. Imali is just that, you know. Yeah. So there are people who will envy a relationship and want to be in that relationship, you know. But you do not know what goes on in that relationship, man. I think I've even spoken about this, Uguti. You will be you'll see me in my relationship. Ufuna ukuzongena. Ubone mina bengiphatha kahle. Uthi uthi nami ongena bazokuphatha kahle. Bekukape. Yo. Nabe ngakwenze nje next. Uzofika to a point ukuthi igcina usuba like no, Sabelo must have given this guy something. Or when ugcina usuhamba to an extent ukuthi you go to inyanga and you go and get something for this guy because it's like no, something is off. Why is he not doing the things that he used to do to his wife or for his wife? Why? Or you just do not know, Guti. There are a lot of things that are happening in our marriage. I'm just the person who just does not like talking, of which Mary Jane gave those vibes, or gives those vibes, because she never really spoke about the relationship and stuff like that. She just kept quiet in jail, and Umihlale was the one who was all loud and proud, on social media, you understand? So you find out ukuthi bayangaba mina emshadweni wami, but ngiyasithulela ngidecide ukuthi ngenze njani, ngihlala either for the kids or for the money or ngisamthanda or whatever reason. Ufike wena uzongishaya ngesitini, come in, ngicela sengiphuma mina sengikhahlelwa 8 ungene wena. And who said this? I can't remember who said this. I don't know if it was Oami who said ukuthi the thing is it's different mawusase umakhwapheni, because when you still umakhwapheni kusuke kukhona umuntu who's taking all the slack, who's the wife, you understand? So when available you be a princess and stuff like that. But bear in mind that once wasuka ulentuzana unkosikazi, you will then play the role of unkosikazi. And bear in mind, as much as you'll be playing a role of unkosikazi, you will be also taking the slack. Now, then sezoba khona uprincess omusha. He'll be in your place and you'll be in the place of unkosikazi. And it's sad for someone to find you in a relationship with someone and then and then they still be like, yeah, it's fine, because that's how it normally starts. And then the next thing umuntu wants you to leave your first person. I did say this even with the video Lulu Menziu. We are going to hear these stories. She's getting abused. She's getting abused. We are definitely going to hear those stories. And Umusa did say then to lapha, it's not all lovey-dovey. Kukhona mavaramtlap akhalayo lapha. Mavaramtlap akhona akhalayo. Maning futhi 100,000. So this thing of envying other people's relationships, you end up we set up for a trap. Uyifaka wena emhumeni phakathi. Next thing sebeqhubuza. Debora ukuthi ke manje sefakuphume fasiphume ke manje. Sithi yo GPV. And someone even said this on Twitter ukuthi it's ironic ukuthi if a man hits a woman it is GPV, but the other way around, even as some police they'll laugh at you or whatever. When Umihlale hit Umusa Kaula, everyone was laughing then. You understand? Omshang Cardi B, because Umusa had the Cardi B. Everyone was laughing. It was not regarded as Ilentuzana, GPV. You understand? Now, from what she did with Ulentuzana, Umusa, and with what we are hearing now, and this is a statement that was posted by Uliroy. English is not Englishing, hey? It's not. Just because you have money doesn't mean you has English. Same thing applies with R. Kelly. R. Kelly was also allegedly said because he can't read, he can't write and stuff like that. But he had money, a lot of money. So if you read Lento Leo, no man, it's not English. English, but it's not Englishing properly. You understand? So firstly, Lentuzana, Mihlale posted these pictures. I'm just going to put these pictures and also the statement. Leroy, check this out. As you saw, she first thanked Leroy. Good for it. Her angel, like her angel. She first thanked her angel. For what we don't know. Inambono kapekile girl. The process are a little bit. Everyone was assuming very good to Leroy umshayile. Everyone, others were even assuming good maybe he saved her from Otsotsi. But Leo Otsotsi, I mean, having I call her Leo, I was like, Leo Otsotsi. Then you guys, Neatan goes expose as nin. You like exposing yourselves. Look, manch. So for my statement. My statement. Apple manch. Tara. And Akisha yibo bantwini. Yibo bantwini. Ulona ngishuthi mihlala. Lawa amalentuzana guys. Those red things. Those numbers. It's normally ama missed calls. On my phone, it's missed calls. I don't know, good the phone and stuff like that. It's normally missed calls. As you saw, umihlala umfonele kakhulu entuzana. Umihlala called boy, go 100,000. 100,000. That is going to link with this statement that Leroy posted. As you saw, the statement, listen, she posted Leroy. Who is posted? I even went on his what's this page on Instagram. I screenshotted, and I even searched Mihlale. That's definitely the same Leroy Sitamba that she tagged as her angel and thanking her angel. And then I also searched, is this the real is Mihlale also following this Leroy? Because sometimes you find people claiming to be other people only to find out they are not. And I found it. Check it. So now let's go through the statement that Leroy posted. Uti I Dumezweni Leroy Sitamba would like to address recent allegations that have resurfaced on the 4th of August 2024 regarding gender-based violence against my partner Mihlale Sitamba. Yo, Nina shooting niyacabana nasemshadweni imphume out loud. I thought things like this only come out abantu masebehlukene. So ngikhipha izinto kanje and still be together. Yeah. Do I have, or is this a publicity stunt? It would say, but no, it can't, because this statement is really not painting Mihlale in a good light. Mihlale here in this statement, she's the crazy one, and Leroy is a damsel. I have always upheld the values of respect, equality in our relationship and interactions. It is disheartening to see how quickly misinformation and manipulation can spread, and how easily someone's character can be called into question without a thorough understanding of the facts. Okay, I think this was based on when a lot of people were accusing him of Bambugel. As someone who has experienced the disturbing and hurtful impact of these issues, personally, I empathize deeply with victims of gender-based violence. And Vela, what do we call it if a woman comes and attacks you and then you defend yourself? What do we call it? Okay, we still call it GBV. Okay, who's being GBV in this case? She hit you and then you hit her back. Because this is what you'll hear what. Make it on. So on the 4th of August 2024, Mihlale Sitamba attempted to contact me by placing a total of 78 calls, of which I were not attending, as I will not attending. No, I will not attending to as I felt I had fallen asleep. Shoot me, uyamazi. Kodwa guys, I like this thing. You're aware. The same way you got him is the same way you'll lose him. Yes, you have to be aware of that thing. And the effed up thing about this whole thing is that even if we're not insecurities, if he's not picking up his phone, if we're the whole weekend and you normally see each other on the weekend, vele angithi usephumile ugirl umelem wendlu mihlala singene khona uboy you'll find out ukuthi soon kuyovela kuphumile ukuthi ulona sefade a new happy home. Yes, at least you can yes guys. And ilapho we Mihlale called 100,000. And then they say Mihlale then arrived at my residence and persistently requested that my son open for her so she could see me. I'm sure she was screaming. Upon arriving as my son recollects. Yeah, the English here is pretty bad food. She headed to the kitchen to equip herself with a knife in the attempt of stabbing me, as she allegedly was shown evidence of me being unfaithful. It is ikhalayo. Ziyakhala this time around. Ziyakhala. Guys, this is the problem. It's like that other friend of mine when I lost my mom. Umuntu wangichomela. Ngathi yena ekhaya kuba bashoni. Just ukurempa kancane. Mihlale bashaya abanye nge18. Ngathi bona ba stin proof abashaya nge18. Kunjani makunje? I'm curious. Guys, I'm curious. I'm just asking for a friend. Kunjani makunje? Senizena figure to a point ukuthi you'll need to even equip yourself with stabbing things. And another thing, I think that another thing that even makes her to lose it or made her to lose it, it might also be this thing. She put her reputation on the line. Her reputation man, is he nonsense? You understand? She put herself through all of this only for the man to do what in the end? What he did to Mary Jane. So it's more or less like into Gutilo. It's almost like, you know, when umuntu esilisa ezokutshela ukuthi umthathile wamfundisa umfaka isikole and all of that, so ebene right yokuthi mhlawumbe amshaye or whatever. It's giving that. Yes, but lovely. Should be Rihanna. Mihlale Ndambase then came to my bedroom as I was asleep to confront me for being unfaithful and attempted to stab me, of which I then protected myself by pushing her away from me, resulting in her sustaining her injuries as she made contact with the wall. Ganja, how do you make contact with the wall? They lack better words. Yes, now my English is lacking better words, but this one, my vocabulary is better than this. Another thing that is also traumatic with this whole thing is this also took place when the child was also there. You know, this took place there. Guys, you also need to protect your kids. That's why, I mean, even when it comes to this thing of having to bring someone landline, I don't. If I ever do bring someone here landline, I will have to, I don't know, check man, you know, Google in a way, but I evaluate you would know, you know, from our conversations and stuff like that. I know that is also not enough, but in a point of Guti, you are angry and then I still bring you around landline. No, I'm not doing that. And Mina, man, damper, share via text. I must is okay because I do not know what will happen. You could do something, I could do something. It's better value we just far apart. And I like it, man, Guti. Even from back then, man. Guti, if we're dating, you just do not know where do I stay. I like it like that. Because I'm full umuntu ozoza nje isinomganjani nje. You understand? And now, what if Mihlale even try to harm the kid? What if? And I believe this thing, Yoguti, he was asleep. There are people who put their phone on silence, so there could be a possibility. But since we know Uliroy for umuntu chitayo, let's just say he was cheating, yabo? Yeah, allegedly. So yeah, and then there's this point where this thing that I wanted to talk about. Tiwani Mihlale Ndambase then came to my bedroom as I was sleeping to confront me for being unfaithful and attempted to stab me, of which I then protected myself by pushing her away. If she was trying to stab him and he pushed her, what was she thanking him for? What was she thanking him for? Or was that picture alleged? A fake? Because I feel like that's the next thing as a poem. What was she thanking him for? Thank you, my angel. Ukuthi unzeni ngixolelile or ukuthi mina I hate relationship because this relationship very confusing. Ngapha we thinking our angel, ngapha we taking out our statements. What's going on? And are these two still together? Tua, my son, then came to my rescue after hearing me shout and pled for Mihlale. He played for Mihlale, not pled with Mihlale not to kill me. You see, nje drum. What do you think? Anili malile futhi kuze leso sididide. Ngiyabona ukuthi no Mary Jane, if she was to ever claim for a custody of ingane zakhe, a full custody, that could happen. It could. Phela manje nengane la put on harm's way. Put on harm's way. Qala abantu benu. Guys, ubuhle is not everything. Ubuhle, it's not everything. Beauty is not everything. Not. And you'll find out what most of these beautiful hands. Yay! You was. Ik don't have more healing. Ik don't it was. What more figure lab? What I the pop. So with this being said, I would like inform you about English. I would like inform you all that Mihlale has a long history of physically assaulting me and damaging my property, especially when she is under the influence of substance I cannot name. Amadrums. Yini substance angakakhona name? Because if it was alcohol bezoyisho. If bekuyiweed bezoyisho. Amadrums. Futhi ulona ushaya amadrums. Umihlale ushaya amadrums. Nabona ke. Omihlale bangamakhaladini guys. And they call it, why do they break down also? Hoekom breek hulle dan also as hulle kwaad is en op daai ding. Kom. Awuzakhala. Nangizwela umuntu ke la. Abakapane. Futhi mina makhona oshonile angikhiphi ngisho 50 rand. Angeke nje ngikhiphe 50 rand. Uthi so kollega. So fake social. No. For what? Inda ijabulayo Mary Jane wherever she is now. Oh lol. Tiwa, it is important to note that there is a plethora of witnesses, my children, and yabona nje lo baba ingane zozibe ama witnesses nje odoti ukuthi ubaba uyibheja. Where's this? My children and bystanders whom can attest to me not ever laying a hand on her during after any altercation, but always deflecting and defending myself accordingly. And you know, when you are a physical person, umuntu will leave you, eh? They'll leave you. There's also even this other video of another gay couple where this guy was saying he's dating his boyfriend's friend, and then that guy immediately tried to grab him and stuff like that, and it's not a good look, hey? It's not. And the GPV, as you can see, good shooting girl from Mumus. Nang no Mihlale no lona no little endli bamgaba nje. Gerada League, Street Fighter, or Blanca. So it is unfortunate that Mihlale Ndambase would also use her platform to spread these harmful allegations to ploy against my public image in the attempt of being revengeful. Guys, yo, we don't care. So I ensure you all that I will continue to cooperate fully with any inquiries, especially from authorities, to clear my name and restore my reputation from this. How are you going to restore? Yeah, you can restore it in terms of good I'm shy now, but that's not in the proof. So thank you for understanding and for your support during this challenging time. I don't support this. I don't understanding this. To Dumezweni Leroy Sedambe. He is the one who posted this. Awuzakhala mora mnyalo ayikho ke enta kahle into eqale kanje ayike ndahle bafethu yabona. If it was a matter of bayihlanganele emlanjeni kusase khona mafika izolo yabo, and all of this was happening, I feel like we would all be sympathizing with Mihlale, you know, or Uboy, you know, or it would have been hard for us to even believe what Mihlale is even doing these things, you understand? But manje into esibakhangele yona select next nje phela cabanga bazweli, and I feel so like guys, I was a bit emotional. Yeah, so tell me what do you think about this whole thing? But that will be even more crazy is even seeing them together after all of this is happening. But abantu toxic bafethu.